In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see all your comments on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to your TikTok profile. After that, tap right there at these three lines and then select Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, we can easily find Activity Center, and that's where we need to tap Add Comment History. What that will do, that will show us all the comments we ever made on TikTok. We can scroll down, it is sorted from the recent to the oldest, and then if you would like to, let's say, delete some comment, you need to tap right here at the comment you would like to delete. After that, you will be taken to the particular video's comment section. That's where you can easily find your comment, and then if you want to delete it, you need to long press on it, and that's where we can easily tap at delete to delete the particular comment. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.